Hello. This is a small tutorial on how to make your Logitech m705 mouse way lighter than it usually is. The reason why I'm making this video is because there's a lot of people on Amazon that were complaining about this model because it was so heavy to pick up and drop over and over again. Because with me, I pick up my mouse all the time too, like to move around, because I use my wrist, not my entire arm like some people do. So now you basically have to in order to make this work, because the thing is with this mouse, it's got two AA batteries, which make it super heavy. And the overall construction of the mouse is really light, so it's just these dang batteries that are so dang heavy that will make this mouse last 3 years, or make the battery life last 3 years. So there's a way to change the weight of this thing so you can pick it up and drop it way easier, so it'll make the mouse way lighter for you. So you can actually remove one of the AA's, and then if I put it back on, it will still turn on. And then let's flip this over to the computer. Yes, this is a CRT monitor. It's really cool, but I don't know if you can see it, but the cursor still works on it. So now that. So there's actually a way to make it even lighter than this. All you have to do is take this out and then pop the AA out, and you can make it really, really lightweight by adding this AAA battery to it, this Warriors battery, and then you just stick it in here like that. And then, but it's not going to want to reach the contacts all the way. So what you need to do is you need to crumple up a piece of tin foil to about this size. It's gonna be, you kind of want it to be a little bit of a cylinder shape. So you want the tin foil to be able to contact this little tiny metal part in here, the contact for the AA. And then the contact for the AAA. So you need to stuff this piece of tin foil in here like this. It might take a few tries for you, but trust me, once you get it to work, it's awesome. So once it's pressed in like that, it should turn right on. But you need to have full contact between the two. The battery and the battery inside battery contacts, so they need to be connected. It's going to take a few tries. You need to mess around with it a bit to get it to work. So you need to kind of squeeze it a little bit more to make it more of a cylinder, and then reinstall your battery. Just hang on. So we need to connect both of these without it falling out over and over again. See, now it's on, because we got both of the battery and the contacts connected. So now we can reinstall this little case here, and then now the mouse is perfectly usable. Check that out. So see, now I can maneuver the mouse around the screen. And it's very lightweight now. Like, it's barely has any weight whatsoever to it. See, because I do quite a bit of gaming on this mouse, and it's actually a really good mouse for that. And I'm pretty dang sure this trick will work with the with the newer models of the M705 mouse, because there is multiple iterations of this original Logitech. So we got yeah, this is the original Logitech one. So anyway, so that's the tutorial on it, on this mouse. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful for you. Sorry for the subpar video and audio quality of this camera, because I can't find the phone I usually use to record, so I'm using kind of a older digital camera for this. But anyway, I hope you have a good day. Bye.